Alright, the birds are here now. Let's see if we can pick them up. No, I don't think this is picking them up. Oh yeah, a couple of them. But every morning, they come flying about. Gobbling up insects. But I'm not getting bit. So I don't know where they're getting the insects. I mean, we notice mosquitoes once in a while, but they have not been Texas quality insects. Kind of slow. These birds will probably fly for an hour-ish. All right, 2 minutes of birds. Where'd they all go? They must be saying just no ends. Oh, they are. They're over there now. Can't really see them. Oh yeah, there's jillions of them. Probably not picking them up. Oh well. Later.